Thank you for joining me today. So today I will do 5 minutes meditation. So I made a video to explain how to sit during meditation. So if you want to watch that video first, watch that first and then coming back. And then this one also you can do lay down on your mat or floor. So if you want to choose sit, you can choose sitting position or laying down, either way. So just for 5 minutes, practice stillness and practice quietness during the chaotic time, busy time. So let's join me, okay? So once you find a comfortable seated position, opening your chest, collarbone wide, shoulders relaxed, and then extend your spine. And then if you feel comfortable, start close your eyes and just check in your breath. Check in your breath. How do you feel? How do you breathe? Check in your length, speed. Is it shallow or deep? Just observe your breath. We don't usually put attention our breath, but they are always with us. So just take a moment to be here, observe, and connect. I will time for 5 minutes. I will ring the chime before and after, so you don't have to count 5 minutes. So just enjoy the practice. Keep breathing the natural breath coming in through the nose, out to the nose or mouth. Bring awareness between your eyebrows. So even though you are closing your eyes, place the gaze to one point. That way you feel more focused and you feel stable. And then keep breathe in to the area, your third eye. And then exhale out to your sit bones, the bottom of your spine. If your mind starts wandering, always coming back to your breath between your eyebrows. Stay focused. it says we have a 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day. So it's okay to have a lot of mind wander, but we don't need to attach, we don't need to stay the thoughts. Just observe your breath, observing your thoughts like a crowd. It's come and go. Keep your spine uplift, and then shoulders are relaxed. Soften your face. Slightly smile on your face. We don't have to have a tension during meditation. Good. And that was 5 minutes. Good job. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for practicing with me. Practice meditation even though 1 minute, and then you can gradually up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But always good practice to be the moment, be in the present and stillness. Thank you. Namaste.